This is the 1995 Wellcraft 238 Coastal. And let's get you a look at the hull. This boat has spent its entire life in high and dry, and it certainly shows. And let me walk you up both port and starboard side. Just in fantastic condition. Even the stickers look good. And here's a shot of this Johnson 225. And let's start our tour here on the aft. You'll see it has a nice swim platform back here on both sides, plus a deep reach swim ladder. And then if we come to the center, you're going to see rocket launchers all across the back. And that will lead us into the entryway and into our cockpit. Starting here in the aft, you'll see rod holders straight across, and also that's along the side as well on both port and starboard. And if we move to the center of this aft wall and I open up this cabinet, and Wellcraft just does a fantastic job on this coastal of giving you access to everything important in this aft wall. You'll see your batteries on each side, you'll see your battery switch, you'll see your pumps, you'll see your live well / washdown switch, and then if I go there in the back, you're going to see your oil reserve. Just a fantastic layout in this coastal, but this owner just keeps it meticulous. Very clean, very easily accessed. Directly to starboard, if I go ahead and I open up here, you're going to see all your trays, and if you open up, you'll see they look brand new, like they've never been used. And if I move slightly above that, you'll see your bolsters there on the aft wall, and you'll see them also on starboard and port. And then below that, you're going to see rod storage, both on port, and then if I move back over to starboard, you'll see rod storage with your washdown right there. And if I move and I lift up on this side, you're just going to see a huge fish box / storage. Once again, it barely looks used. And then if I move over to the other side, because you can access it by both sides or take the entire thing off, there's the other side of that huge fish box storage. Now if we go ahead and we move forward, that will bring us on each side between the first mate and the captain seating to twin live wells. Lift up there, very large live wells. And then I'll move over to the port side, and once again, just a very large live well. And that will bring us forward to our first mate and captain seating. Let me give you a look at the seating. And directly adjacent to the first mate, you have a cup holder and storage. Same thing for the captain. And that will bring us up to our helm. And let's start here on top. You'll see your Ritchie compass. And if we go down below that, you'll see tucked inside protected, you'll see this Lowrance Elite 7 HDI. And then next to that, you'll see your standard Horizon VHF. And once again, take a look at the protection surrounding it. Just a great setup. And then if we move down below that, you're going to see your trim tab switch, plus all your gauges. And if I go down below that, you're going to see all your switches to run your boat, plus your Fusion stereo, and that is your helm. And before we go in the cabin, I just want to show you some details of this topside. First of all, you'll see a bimini. Looks in great shape. And then if we walk to the side here, you're going to see your speakers for that Fusion stereo on each side. And that will lead us to these walkways with very high railings. Very easy and safe to walk to the front. And let me just show you what an easy transition it is to the bow. Nice high railing, wide walkways, and that will bring us to our bow. And you'll see there's seating up here, and if we walk forward, that will show you your anchor system. And if you need to get into the road, just open up here. Very organized. And if I flip you around, we'll look aft and then walk back through these wide walkways for an easy transition back into the boat. And now's a good time to look at our cabin. And stepping inside the cabin, you can see it has a very large V-berth for sleeping. You'll see the filler cushion is right there. You'll see storage on both sides. Right now the current owner has some life vests and a throwable stored there. And then also there's storage underneath. And if I turn around, you're going to see a little galley unit with storage, a sink, running water, and also this boat comes with a porta potty. And now's the time of the video where we talk about a condition report and opportunities for the new owner to make this boat even better. The first thing you should know is this boat has been in the same high and dry its entire life. And I talked to the guys at the High and Dry, and they said if this boat has been out 20 times, they would be shocked. But if you look around, it's certainly attests to being very lightly used. All the vinyl is in excellent condition. The fiberglass is in excellent condition. Everywhere you look, the boat just shows very well. And it is very well equipped. Everything you need for a day on the water. I would just tell you that this is an extremely clean 23 walk around. Wellcraft does a great job on the layout, and this one is in terrific shape and ready to boat this weekend.